Teach Nathan once said, "Breathing in, I calm body and mind. Breathing out, I smile, dwelling in the present moment." I know this is the only moment the Buddha taught us how to make the mind relaxed by breathing in and out comfortably. It is not our task to make it calm or excited. It is our duty to just breathe in and out comfortably. Imagine your mind is like a magic mirror reflecting everything around you. Now think of your breath as the gentle breeze that can make the mirror clear and calm. Today, we're talking about this cool connection between your breathing and your mind. Inspired by some super wise words from Buddha, let's make it real. Ever had a crazy day at work, or felt stuck in a tough moment? Notice how your breath goes all fast and shaky. It's like your body is telling your mind, "Whoa, things are intense right now." Now, flip the script. Remember that time you felt super happy or super chill? Your breath probably slowed down, right? That's your body saying, "All good, we're relaxed now." So in this video, we're not just chatting about ideas. We're diving into some cool tricks from Buddhism that can make your breathing a superhero for your mind and body. It's not about being a meditation guru. It's about making life a bit calmer and happier, starting with how you breathe. So get ready for a chill adventure into mindfulness where your breath becomes the superhero bridge between the busy world outside and the calm world inside, the breath in Buddhist philosophy. As Buddha said, to enjoy the glow of good health, you must exercise. Let's get real about what Buddha meant when he talked about enjoying good health. He wasn't suggesting hitting the gym, but rather tuning into your breath as a form of soul exercise. Imagine a day filled with stress, work, piling up, deadlines looming, and your mind doing a stress dance. Now think of taking a breather, literally, deep breaths, like your mind's workout routine. Suddenly you're not just stressed, you're a stress-fighting champion. Or think of a day when everything seems a bit gray and joy is playing hide and seek. Try this slow, deep breaths like using a paintbrush to add color back to your day. Simple right now. Let's talk about mindfulness like a spa day for your mind. Your thoughts are bouncing around like an excited puppy. Mindfulness is like gently guiding that puppy back to your breath, giving your mind a serene spa day. Let's make it practical. Stuck in traffic, stress levels skyrocketing, instead of honking, try mindful breathing. Inhale the good vibes, exhale the traffic tension. It's like turning chaos into calm with just your breath. Something Buddha would probably give you a virtual high five for. So in this part, we're not diving into complicated theories. We're picking up practical tools from Buddha's toolkit. Your breath becomes a workout, a paintbrush, and a spa day, all for your mind. Understanding the mind-body connection. Now, let's venture into the profound realm of understanding how our minds and bodies dance together in the grand symphony of life. Buddha's timeless wisdom encapsulates the notion that our thoughts sculpt our reality, echoing through the ages with a simple yet profound truth. Imagine your mind and body as inseparable companions on this journey. When life throws challenges your way, your thoughts can set the tone for how your body responds. It's like a synchronized dance, a beautiful interplay where each thought influences the well-being of your entire being. Consider a moment of stress. Your mind races, thoughts swirling like a tempest. Now notice your breath, quick, shallow. It's a natural response. But Buddha urges us to pause and see beyond the chaos. What if in that moment you take a conscious breath? Inhale, calm, exhale, tension. Suddenly you've shifted the rhythm of the dance. Your mind, once a chaotic storm, now echoes with the melody of serenity. It's not just a philosophical concept, it's a practical truth woven into the fabric of our existence. The mind-body connection is tangible in everyday experiences. Think about a time when a positive thought lifted your spirits. Maybe before a big presentation or during a challenging workout, your body responds with energy and vitality, becoming a testament to the power of your thoughts. Conversely, dwelling on negativity can cast a shadow on your physical well-being. Picture a day when self-doubt clouds your mind. Notice how your body responds, perhaps slouched shoulders or a tired demeanor. It's as if your thoughts have painted the canvas of your body with shades of weariness. Buddhist wisdom invites us to become architects of our well-being. By understanding this intricate connection, it's about realizing that the mind is not a passive observer, but an active sculptor shaping the contours of our health and vitality. The quieter you become, the more you can hear. Now armed with the wisdom of understanding our mind-body connection, let's journey into the practical techniques rooted in the mindfulness teachings of Buddhism. Imagine these techniques as keys to unlocking the door to a quieter mind and a more harmonious life. Picture this: a balloon inflating and deflating. That's how your breath should feel, filling your belly, like the balloon inflates, and then gently releasing. This is deep diaphragmatic breathing, a simple yet potent technique. Try it in moments of stress or before a significant task. Inhale, slowly filling your belly with air, and exhale, letting go of tension. It's like giving your mind a reset button. Now, let's delve into a classic technique from Buddhist mindfulness, Anapanasati meditation. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably and focus on your breath. Feel the sensation as you inhale and exhale. Your mind might wander, and that's okay. Guide it back to the breath gently but persistently. It's a workout for your mind, training it to find stillness amidst the chatter. Here's a practical gem you can sprinkle into your everyday life as you go about your routine, walking, working, or even sipping your morning coffee. Bring awareness to your breath. Notice its rhythm, the rise and fall. It's like infusing a bit of mindfulness into your daily dance. The more you practice, the more seamless it becomes, transforming mundane moments into opportunities for inner peace. Now let's ground these techniques in real-life scenarios. Imagine a day filled with deadlines and a looming sense of overwhelm. Instead of succumbing to the chaos, take a pause. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Feel the shift in energy. It's a mini reset, a breath-induced pause that allows you to face challenges with a calmer mind, or consider a moment of conflict, maybe a heated discussion at work or a disagreement at home. Instead of reacting impulsively, engage in deep diaphragmatic breathing. Inhale patience, exhale understanding. You're not just diffusing tension, you're fostering a space for mindful communication. These techniques are not distant philosophies. They are tools you can wield in the theater of your life as you explore these mindful breathing practices. Remember the words of Baba Ram Dass: the quieter you become, the more you can hear in the symphony of daily living. Let your breath be the gentle conductor, orchestrating a melody of peace and presence, preventing sickness with mindful breathing. As we continue our journey into the wisdom of mindful breathing, let's unravel the transformative potential it holds for our overall health. Consider this section as a guide to fortifying your well-being through the simple yet profound act of conscious breathing. Picture your immune system as the guardian of your castle, protecting it from invaders. Now imagine mindful breathing as the vigilant watchman standing at the castle gates. Studies suggest that incorporating mindful breathing practices into your routine may strengthen your immune system, providing an added layer of defense against illnesses. Let's bring this to life with a scenario. We all know the common cold. When stress knocks on your door, your immune system might take a hit, making you more susceptible to pesky viruses. Now imagine mindful breathing as your shield in moments of stress. Take intentional breaths. Inhale calm, exhale stress. You're not just exhaling tension, you're creating a barrier, safeguarding your health. Buddhist wisdom emphasizes the holistic nature of well-being. It's not just about physical health but the harmonious integration of mind and body. Consider this. If your mind is a storm of worries, it can manifest in physical ailments. Mindful breathing, as advocated by Buddhism, becomes a bridge to tranquility. Inhale peace, exhale worry. It's a prescription for a balanced and resilient existence. Let's ground these ideas in real-life scenarios. Imagine a hectic work week, deadlines looming, stress mounting. Instead of succumbing to the pressure, take a breath. Inhale, focus, exhale tension. You're not just managing stress. You're fostering an environment where your immune system stands tall, or consider the notorious duo deadlines and sleepless nights. Lack of sleep can weaken your immune system, leaving you vulnerable. Now, envision mindful breathing as your ally in the battle for rest. Inhaler, relaxation. Exhale, restlessness. You're not just breathing, you're fortifying your defenses against the challenges of a demanding day in this exploration. We're not just discussing theories. We're delving into the practical realm of health and well-being. As you infuse mindful breathing into your daily routine, you're not merely preventing sickness, you're nurturing a sanctuary for your mind and body to thrive real-life applications. Now that we've explored the wisdom of mindful breathing and its impact on our well-being, let's bridge the gap between theory and reality. This section is not just about understanding, it's about applying these teachings in the theater of your daily life. Imagine Sarah, a corporate warrior, juggling endless tasks and deadlines. Stress was her constant companion until she discovered mindful breathing in the midst of chaos. She started taking short breaks, inhaling calm and exhaling tension. The result, a transformed Sarah, more focused, resilient, and even inspiring her colleagues to join the mindful breathing journey. Let's talk about Joe, a college student navigating the storm of exams and late-night study sessions. Instead of succumbing to stress, he integrated mindful breathing into his routine. Before diving into his books, he'd take a few deep breaths, inhale, focus, exhale distractions. Joe found that not only did his concentration improve, but the overwhelming stress became a manageable tide. Consider Mary, a busy mom, juggling work, parenting, and household chores. For her, mindful breathing became a lifeline while cooking dinner or helping with homework. She'd infuse these moments with conscious breaths. It wasn't a separate practice, but an integrated part of her day. Mary discovered that amidst the chaos, mindful breathing allowed her to be present, turning routine tasks into moments of peace. Now, let's ground these examples in practicality. Picture a challenging meeting at work, tensions rising. Instead of reacting impulsively, take a breath, inhale patience, exhale frustration. You're not just navigating a meeting. You're cultivating a space for thoughtful and composed communication. Or imagine a restless night, thoughts racing like a never-ending marathon. Instead of wrestling with insomnia, embrace mindful breathing. Inhale tranquility, exhale restlessness. Your breath becomes a lullaby, gently guiding you into a peaceful slumber in the tapestry of your life. Mindful breathing is not a distant concept, but a guiding star as you weave it into your daily experiences. You're not just practicing mindfulness, you're living it, as our journey into the profound realm of mindful breathing nears its conclusion. Let's weave together the threads of wisdom, application, and the promise of transformation. This section serves as a gentle reminder that the journey doesn't end here. It merely expands into the vast landscape of your ongoing exploration. Reflecting on our journey, remember the wisdom of Buddha and other guiding voices. The breath, often overlooked in the rush of life, is a powerful tool to sculpt your reality. Mindful breathing is not a mere exercise. It's an invitation to synchronize the dance of your mind and body, fostering a harmonious existence. Think of mindful breathing as a compass, guiding you through the peaks and valleys of your daily experiences. The techniques we've explored, from deep diaphragmatic breathing to mindfulness, meditation, are not rigid practices, but flexible tools waiting for your touch. So take the reins and explore what resonates most profoundly with you as we part ways. Let's revisit the concept of health, not just as the absence of illness, but as a vibrant tapestry of physical, mental, and emotional well-being. The wisdom of mindful breathing, rooted in ancient teachings, beckons you to become the architect of your holistic health. Now, let's ground these thoughts in the fabric of reality. Imagine waking up each morning, not as a routine but as a sacred ritual. Before diving into the day's demands, take a moment for mindful breathing. Inhale, gratitude, exhale worries. Your breath becomes a bridge between sleep and waking, infusing your day with a sense of purpose and calm. Picture a challenging conversation with a loved one, instead of getting entangled in the web of emotions. Take a breath. Inhale, understanding. Exhale, judgment. Your breath becomes a mediator, creating space for empathy and connection in the symphony of your life. The breath is your ever-present conductor, orchestrating a melody of presence, resilience, and joy. Remember, this is not a journey to affection, but a journey toward mindful living. As you continue your exploration, may each breath be a reminder, a gentle whisper, inviting you to be present, to be mindful, and to embrace the symphony of your life with an open heart and a tranquil mind. The journey continues, and with each breath, you tread the path of wisdom and well-being. As we end our journey through mindful breathing and the wisdom of the ages, remember that the path to well-being is an ongoing exploration. Let the breath be your guide, the quiet conductor of your life's symphony. Join us on Wisdom Diaries, where we delve into the practical applications of Buddhist wisdom in everyday living. Embrace the art of mindful breathing, not just as a concept, but as a companion in your pursuit of a balanced and purposeful existence together. Let's breathe, learn, and live the wisdom that transforms ordinary moments into extraordinary opportunities for growth and serenity. Until we meet again. May your breath be your compass, and may wisdom light your path.